All right. So for this week, you have three assignments. All right. You're going to do an assignment over uh, the physical geography of Europe. Then you have we're focusing on the western portion of Europe mainly, and you'll have a couple sections within that assignment over World War One. That's when we're focusing on, and then your last assignment, excuse me, is a grade check. Okay, so you're just going to compare Skyward and Canvas, making sure that your scores match up and that those are all graded correctly. And if they're not, you need to let me know. So those are the assignments for this coming week, and I'm going to go into those in more detail right here. Like I said, your first assignment is European Physical Features Map Review. You're going to go into the link attached. Once this loads, you have 22 physical features. And obviously, the physical feature is listed here, the Scandinavian Peninsula. When you know which one is correct, okay, you will select, all right, and then move on. Remember, you need to score an 80% or higher, all right, and you have to complete the entire map. Okay, so please make sure you have selected all of the physical features while still maintaining an 80% or higher. Once you have, you'll screenshot it by hitting the Control Windows button and then attach and submit. And that is your first assignment. The second assignment is Western Europe here. All right, and we'll go ahead and open that up and open it in a new window. Now, this has several sections in it. All right, that's why I'm only every assignment is beyond this one is relatively short. So this one is a few questions long. I'm not going to lie, there's 24 of them. All right, but it's also going to be worth a little bit more points. So you will be rewarded with completing it. Okay. So for the first one, that's all about the United Kingdom. We covered a little bit about it last week in determining the difference between England, the UK, and Britain. All right, this one is a little bit more information about what actually goes on in the UK. So you will use this link to answer 1 through 9. All right, answering in the green highlighted areas. For questions 10 through 15, all right, you will watch the YouTube video. All right, this one's all about World War One. If you select there, you will watch and answer these 6 questions. All right, all about the First World War. All right, here it's continuing on with World War One, but 16 through 19, you're going to use this link, all right, which is you have to read about World War One and answering those 4 questions. And then finally, there's a video about the Treaty of Versailles, which is the treaty that ended World War One. All right, and you're going to watch that video and answer the 5 questions 20 through 24 in the green highlighted areas. All right, so you are going to have 2 tabs open, all right, and be listening diligently to answer those questions. If you encounter any problems or any questions, please feel free to reach out. But that is the information to complete the Western Europe information assignment. For your last assignment for this week, you have a grade quiz. All right. And what this consists of is basically ensuring that Skyward and your Canvas grades match up, and you're getting points just for checking. All right. So how this is going to work is if you come down here and hit take the survey, it's going to ask you, do all of your Canvas assignments and scores match the scores in Skyward? So with that being said, you need to go to Canvas and you need to go to Skyward. All right. And what you're going to do is you're going to pull up these in 2 windows that you can see at the same time. Okay. So how this would work is you just make this window half the screen. would make this window the other half. Okay, and obviously the left screen, you're going to pull up grades in Canvas, and then over here, you're going to pull up your Skyward grades, and then you're going to go down the line with Skyward and with Canvas and make sure that each assignment is scored correctly. All right. If everything's fine, what you're going to do is go to, yes, my assignment grades match up correctly. If they didn't, you're going to select no. I've emailed me with assignments that need to be fixed. All right, so any assignment that the point values don't match up, please make sure to email me with the assignment and I will get that fixed in Skyward, because I don't want you guys to, be cut short or, have a lower grade just because the transfer of grades from Canvas to Skyward were not accurate. Okay, I've done my best to try to make sure they're pretty accurate. But I also have 190 of you, so I'm not saying that I'm absolutely perfect. So please check that, and once you answer it, you'll get 5 points just for doing so. All right. Hopefully they are all correct and everything is good to go. If you have any questions on how to do this, please let me know.